What's up, unicorns? Welcome back to the music room. Stay tuned for an unboxing. Hi, unicorns. Welcome back to the music room. We are literally in the music room today, and we have a special delivery. I am so excited! Today, we are going to be unboxing only one, because it's going to take forever if I do all of them, but we are going to open this one big box. There are three of this size, three big boxes of new ukuleles for the students at my school. Unicorns, get excited because your new ukuleles are in this box, and I am tremendously excited. Okay, let's begin. Got my scissors. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit of a daunting task, but I think we're gonna be okay. So, the ukulele is featured in this video, and from here on out, it's hard to do two things at the same time. Okay, so the ukuleles that are featured in this video were given to us by the Lanikai company, so special thank you to the Lanikai team. My students and I are going to enjoy playing with these so much. Okay. Whew. All right, so this is, get that out of the way. This is a soprano. This is the box that it comes in. It is a soprano. I'm gonna move the big box out of the way. The Lanikai team reached out to me a while ago and said, hey, you wanna be in Lanikai classroom? And I said, yes, please. And so they very kindly sent us 35 brand new soprano ukuleles. And I'm, over the moon. Okay, are you ready? Excellent. So it comes in this box. Open up the box. It is wrapped nicely in this, which I think no one ever understands or remembers. No one ever remembers what the name of that is. I'm gonna go ahead and just call it thin foam packaging. I don't know if it's that or not. Oh, it's so pretty. You guys, you're gonna love it. All right. Hang on, let me take out this thing. Okay, so it comes with a little booklet that has ukulele chords. Focus. There we go. Lanikai makes me happy. I don't know if that focuses or not. Lanikai makes me happy. And I will leave in the card somewhere around here the link so that you can head on over to their channel, and then even hopefully I can link to their website, and that you could head on over to see what the Lanikai brand has to offer, because a lot of amazing things, I'm sure. All right, are you ready? All right, so first we're noticing it's got the brand name. It's beautiful headstock. Okay. Closed tuners, beautiful silver tuners. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Ta-da! Look at her, isn't she pretty? These are gorgeous. These are so pretty. Hang on. I don't know, maybe I don't know things. This doesn't, nice, good tuning. I don't know, hang on just a second. I need to check something. Okay, so fun fact, I don't think these are actually sopranos at all. I think these are concert-sized ukuleles, which is still perfectly fine with me. I'll double check on that, but because LU21C, and that's why I think the C stands for concert. I should know this. Anyway, I am blown away by the craftsmanship of this. We've got, as I was telling my students, we were all predicting what it was going to look like, and is it gonna look like yours? Is it gonna look different? What's it gonna look like? So I was right. There is the cream binding that goes all the way around. It is beautiful wood. Look at that wood grain. Come on now. Let's just, for a minute. We have Aquila, is that how you say it? Aquila, can you focus? Focus. I don't know. Aquila strings. And they desperately need to be tuned because, yeah, rocking out with like the same letter. So anyway, let me just check this again. Hang on. All right, so this is my gorgeous Lanikai tenor instrument and my beautiful neck strap by the Green Snail. Check her out. Trina is amazing. And this is our brand new guy. I'm about 100% sure now that this is a concert ukulele. So Lanikai, thank you so much for sending my unicorns concert-sized ukuleles. I cannot even tell you how excited I am. I can't tell you how excited they're going to be. Like, they are excited, I know that, but when they find out that it's like the bigger kind, like, oh my goodness, so pretty. Yep, it smells like wood. Does anybody do that? Did anybody smell the inside of their ukulele? It smells amazing. Thank you, Lanikai, so much. And I also wanted to give another shout out. Thank you so much to Bernadette. Bernadette from Bernadette Teaches Music on YouTube. Plazi, if you follow her on Instagram. She has been so wonderful and has really encouraged me to do a lot of things that are way outside of my comfort zone. So I just wanted to say thank you, Bernadette, for everything. Lanikai, I can't even. Thank you so much. Derek Frank, thank you for choosing us. Thank you for choosing my school. Thank you for choosing my unicorns and for choosing me. I am so excited to use these instruments with my students. I am so excited to record the first video of them playing so that we can send it to you, as well as a big old thank you. I hope everybody has a really awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.